Yeah, guys, this is picked from your NCRT book. This is example 12, trigonometric example 12. This is a very important question. This is frequently asked question. So you see, prove that sine theta minus cos theta plus 1 by sine theta plus cos theta minus 1 is equal to 1 by secant theta minus tan theta. Now usually what you do, you will have to take LHS and then prove that it is equal to RHS. No. Now in RHS you just have to see RHS. RHS is secant minus tan. Now here in LHS what you have? Sine and cos. So you will have tried to convert the sine and cos to secant and tan. So how can you convert? You see, we'll take LHS first. LHS is equal to sine theta minus cos theta plus 1 by sine theta plus cos theta minus 1. Now you will have to try to convert sine and cos to secant and tan. Okay, how can you convert sine to tan? If you divide by cos, you get tan. No, sine by cos, you get tan. So what you will have to do is divide the numerator and denominator by cos theta. Okay, now what you can do is sine theta by cos theta minus cos theta by cos theta plus 1 by cos theta by sine theta by cos theta plus cos theta by cos theta minus 1 by cos theta. This is what you can do. Now what you can do is sine by cos is what? Tan theta. Tan theta minus cos by cos is 1 plus 1 by cos is secant. Now you see you have converted sine and cos to tan and secant. Similarly in denominator also tan theta plus 1 minus secant theta. Okay, now what you can do is you rearrange tan theta plus secant theta minus 1 by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. Now you have just rearranged, so the sign will not change. In this case the sign won't change. Only when you bring it to the other side the sign changes. No, so here just it is plus secant, so you have put plus secant, it's minus 1, you have put minus 1. Again it's minus secant, you have put minus secant, and plus 1, you have put plus 1. Okay, now what you can do is change this 1 to tan and secant. How can you change this 1 to tan and secant? You know one thing, no? The identity, you know the identity. What is identity? 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta. Okay, this is clear. 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta. If you take this secant, if you take this tan square this side, what will it become? 1 is equal to secant square theta minus tan square theta. So I can put in place of 1, I can put secant square theta minus tan square theta. Okay, okay. Now what we'll do is we'll just put numerator as it is. You will have to write by tan theta minus secant theta plus what is 1? Tan square theta minus, sorry, secant square theta minus tan square theta. No, so I'll write secant square theta minus tan square theta. Okay, now in what form is this? It is in a square minus b square form. So what can we do? So a square minus b square form, what can we write? We can write it as a plus b, a minus b. Okay, so now what I'll do is the numerator as it is, secant theta minus 1 by tan theta minus secant theta plus, I can write this as secant theta plus tan theta secant theta minus tan theta. Okay, understood? Clear till here? Now what you can do is, you see here it is tan minus secant. Now this is one term and this whole is another term. No, as a plus b. A plus b, this is one term and this is one term. No, if it is, had it been b, a plus b. So this is one term and this whole is one term. So similarly, what I have done, what I can do is, I can take common from both of this. These two terms, I can take common. What will be the common? Numerator as it is. Okay, before taking common, here it is tan minus secant and here it is secant minus tan. So how can I make it secant minus tan? How can I make this secant minus tan? I can just multiply by minus and then make it secant theta minus tan theta. Clear? Okay, this as it is you can write secant theta plus tan theta and secant theta minus tan theta. Okay, now you see, now I can take common. Tan theta plus secant theta minus 1 by, here it is secant minus tan, here it is one term and here it is the next term. So in these two terms, what is common? Secant minus tan, secant minus tan. So I can take secant theta minus tan theta common. Okay. Now what is remaining? In this term, what is remaining? Nothing is there except for the sign minus. So I can write as minus 1. And in this term, what is remaining? What is remaining? This portion is remaining. So I can write plus secant theta plus tan theta. Clear? Okay. Now, this is over. Now you see tan theta plus secant theta minus 1. Tan theta plus secant theta minus 1. Here it is into. So I can cancel both of this. Okay. Now, if, for example, if I have, to make it more clearer, if I have, what is it, a plus b minus 1 by b minus a, b minus, this similar example I have been giving, and minus 1 plus b plus a. If it is like this, I can cancel both of this, no? And this will be remaining. Similarly, what I can do is, I have cancelled this. Now what is remaining? Sorry. What is remaining? 1 by secant theta minus tan theta. What is this? 1 by secant theta minus tan theta. This is what is RHS proved. Okay, clear? Okay, thank you.